6x6. I'll do an 8x6. And then just get 2 6x4 reducers. Yeah. Stop recording. My nuts are hard. My nuts.
No, this is the new camera, Tim. Look at. Oh, flip.
Oh, that's fine. Oh. And then.
Timbonius.
I want you to know, during that first video you took, you didn't even know you were recording.
Oh, I know. I'm very sneaky about it sometimes. I know Timbonius was okay with it though, so I sent it. Some TikTok guy. Oh, actually, he's not even a TikTok guy. He could be a construction worker from New York, for all we know.
Yeah. Don't f*** my clipboard. Can we just talk about if we were to go fishing at Bass Pro Shop, the trauma it would cause kids?
Dude, we could go fishing or swimming.
Emotional, damn.
Emotional, damn!
All they do is ban you for life. They're like, yeah, you can't go to any Bass Pro or Cabela's anymore. You're like, well, I didn't want to anyway.
And then you just go to a different one and they don't know what the fuck you're made that.
I don't know, the screen doesn't do it justice.
Well, yeah, I don't know what the resolution on the screen is, but it's tiny.
I got a tripod too. This is something. This is the cover to the electrical. Yeah, and I only have the one SD card anyway, but I was gonna do it all on the GoPro. So the two on the left are the single zones, and then that's the double zone.
Yeah.
Is it a split loop or is it?
It looks like just 2 regular zones.
Yeah.
I think for now, maybe we just shuffle it over there in front of the things. Do you think we use the straps, or do you think we can just? You up?
No, we're good. These things are in such a weird spot.
I know. Hope they fit.
Bum, 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 bum. Alrighty, boys, next day. Boiler time. Always in your basements. Now, this is what we like.
Oh, baby.
Hour and 9 minutes.
Hour and 9 minutes, huh?
Not bad.
It's not bad at all.
Where can we put this thing? We should have got the time lapse from the beginning. We were slacking.
I know.
We were slacking. I got some pictures, but nothing to it but to do it, right? Right, boss?
Yeah, right. That's one of your old sayings.
Yeah.
Ooh. Not too much. I think right there. I guess make up the gap on this back leg. It should be pretty much fine where it is. Alright, so I'm using that pipe to level these. I'm gonna get that pipe on this one.
I think we should give up skiing and go to scuba diving. Start doing treasure hunting.
Think so?
Yeah.
We're gonna get the big magnets and go magnet fishing in the fucking water.
There's some pretty gnarly shipwrecks off the coast of Massachusetts.
I'm sure. I believe it.
Because all the ships used to come up on their way to New York, go right by, sink, leave behind treasure.